Welcome to this new module about using a blueprint to create REST API. So in this module you will learn what is the blueprint and why we need it, how to use a blueprint to create REST API in a Flask, create folder structure for the Flask blueprint application, and finally we will convert our previous Todoist app to blueprint project. The main use for blueprint is to add pattern to your Flask. A Flask uses concept of a blueprint for making application component and supporting common pattern within an application or across applications. Blueprint can greatly simplify how large applications work and provide a central mean for Flask extension to register operation on applications. A blueprint object works similar to Flask application object, but it is not actually an application. Rather, it is a blueprint of how to construct or extend an application. Why we need to use blueprint? Blueprint allow us to register the application based on URL, and this plays significant role when we need to reversion our REST API. For example, if you have REST API version 1 and you need to move it to version 2, then this blueprint will be very important in this case. We can register the blueprint many times in the same application using the URL or base URL. So that's all about why we need a blueprint. In the next lesson we will start working on how to create folder structure for the blueprint application. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.